What are we learning today?
Learning Toolkit.
Let's learn all about elephants! Elephants are the largest land animals in the world. Do you know how big an elephant is? They're quite tall. The largest elephant ever found was 13 feet high. That's as tall as a car is long. On average, a male African elephant weighs 6,000 kilograms. That's the same as about 4 cars. Elephants have very big ears, much bigger than yours. They use these to cool down. Warm blood flows into them, which then releases heat into the environment. If the ears aren't cooling enough, they'll also use their trunk to spray water on its back. Ooh, refreshing. African elephants have very tough skin, up to an inch thick, but they live in very sunny places, so they need to use sunscreen. Not like humans do, they use mud. They'll have a bath in a lake, then blow dust all over themselves to cover themselves in mud. There are 2 main types of elephant, African and Asian. Today we have an African elephant. They have 2 large tusks on their face. They use them to dig for food and water and strip bark from trees. Elephants are mammals like humans, dogs, tigers, whales, bats, and more. But elephants are the only mammal that can't jump. No skipping for them. Elephants have a very long nose. It's called a trunk. It has about 100,000 muscles. A human body only has around 600. They use it to do lots of things: smelling, breathing, trumpeting, drinking, and also for grabbing things like food. What do elephants eat? They eat roots, grass, fruit, and bark. And they eat a lot. An adult elephant could eat up to 140 kilograms of food each day. That's nearly the weight of a fully grown panda bear. They also get very thirsty. They can drink up to 57,000 litres of water in a year. That's the same as 5 cement mixers. It's 280 times what a human drinks in a year. Elephants are pregnant for much longer than humans, 22 months. That's nearly 2.5 times a human pregnancy. When a baby elephant is born, it weighs 90 kilos, more than a fully grown man, and can be 3 feet tall. That's as tall as a 2-year-old human. Female elephants and babies will travel in a herd, but the males will wander around on their own. In a herd, there is usually 1 female leader, like a queen. Did you know that elephants are pretty smart? They are one of the few animals that can recognize themselves. Oh, hi there. They also communicate over very long distances, up to 10 kilometers, using very low rumbling sounds, just like whales. That means they could talk to each other from across a city like Paris in France. They can live to be very old, up to 70 years, but they don't need a walking stick. We hope you enjoyed learning about the mighty elephant. To learn about more animals and dinosaurs, please make sure you subscribe. And don't forget to comment down below on what animal you want to see next. Finally, you can click the links at the end of this video for more animals or dinosaur facts. Bye, elephant!